Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of Kids on TV, and today, as you can see here, we have one more collection from Disney Pixar, and this time it's Monster University characters. So I have received this box recently. It's a bit damaged one, but I will just unbox it and show you guys the characters that we have in this Disney Pixar Monster University figure set collection. So I'll just pause this video for a while and we'll be right back. So finally we have unboxed our characters from the box. It was a bit hard and time consuming because the base was very fixed in the packing, so it was tough for me to remove the characters. But finally we have our Monster University Disney Pixar cartoon characters. So here we have a lot of them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 characters in all. So let me just introduce you to this Disney Pixar Monster University characters. So first of all, you might be very familiar with this character, and his name is Mike. So Mike is the character of this Monster University animated film by Disney Pixar, and as you can see here, very nice color, and in detail we have this character. So here we have this character and his arms are posable and you can move him, but the pokes and the lower limbs is quite fixed. But all in all, nice one. From the OK team we have Mike. So that was our first character. Now let me just show you few of the other characters. Like we have character Dawn, and here we have Scout or Squishy. We are a sheep from the same animated film, and of course we have Terri-Perry, we have James, Art, the only girl character, the princess. We can say the princess of this animated film, and of course few of the villain side monsters here we have. So that's a villain monster from the Monster University, and we have Boogie, of course, right here, this one. So let me just show you closely these characters. Here we have Scout, character from the OK team. Scout is right here, so that's our character. Nice one, as you can see here. So that's our character Scout. Let me bring very close to you our next character, and that's Dawn. So here is our next character Dawn. Really nice one, nice color, and bit flexible, not very much. Nice figure set for the kids to play, and good one. So that's our character Dawn from the same animated film. Let me show you the sheep from the animated film, of course. So here is our sheep from the same animated film Monster University. So here is the sheep, very close touch, nice belt. Now let me just show you guys Terri-Perry. So here is our character Terri-Perry, nice one, from the OK team, of course. So that's Terri-Perry from the Monster University animated film. Terri-Perry. This one is Terry and the another one is Perry from the animated film. Nice one. Nice color and flexible. So that's Terri-Perry. Of course, we have a very giant character from this film, also a very famous one. That's James. So here is our character James. Really nice one, as you can see here. Oh, great eyes. Yeah. So that's our character James. Nice backpack. Student of the Monster University. Tough figure set. Very hard. Kids can play with this character full day. It's really fun to play, I guess. Nicely sculpted. Now our next character is Art, again from the villain side. So that's the monster character Art from the same animated film. Of course, the limbs are movable, flexible. So that's our character Art. Nice one. Let me just focus and show you guys this character. So that's our monster character Art. And of course we have the princess and only the female character of this animated film. So really nice one. Good character. And nice character. Colors are great. Well sculpted. And a nice color, pink. And let me just show you the Boogie from the animated film Monster University, and he is from the villain side of the monster part. So that's Boogie. And let me just show you this last character from the Monster University, and I don't remember his name actually, but of course he is from the villain side and from the opposite team, the Omega team. So here we have 10 characters from Monster University. That's we have, let's repeat once again: Mike, Scout, Dawn, the sheep, Terri-Perry, James, Art, Princess, the girl character, and the two villain monsters, Boogie and the another monster character with the horns. So that's all in this video of Kids Fun TV, and today we had Disney Pixar Monster University figure set collection. Total we have 10 characters in this figure set of Monster University, and the quality is really great. I'm sure the kids would love to play with these characters. Nicely sculpted, good color, tough, few parts are flexible. The kids can play full day. And so that's all regarding this review of today in Kids Fun TV. Keep watching my channel for more toy reviews and do subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day. And don't forget to watch in our next video regarding Tom and Jerry Tricky Trap House, and it's a toy review for our next video. So keep watching my channel for more toy reviews, and we'll have Tom and Jerry Tricky Trap House in our next toy review. So until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and keep subscribing my channel and keep watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.